Oh.
That girl is if I were you, I'd
What's up, you guys? It's your girl Apple back in the building with another video. And if you aren't an official glowworm, I don't know what you're doing, but you need to go ahead and subscribe and click that bell so you can be notified whenever I post any videos. And if you are an OW, welcome back. I love you guys so much. You know your girl has been MIA for a while, but then we're not even about to go down that road. We just gonna go ahead and keep it moving, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, to this video though, today's video is actually really special. I've been eyeing this girl for a while, like not no stalker type stuff, but like I've been looking for it because, you know, if you guys watched my last video, my skin is very sensitive to chemicals and dyes and all kinds of stuff. So I when I look for products, I look for natural ingredients, natural everything. I finally found a company that I want to try, and I'm not afraid to try, that I feel like, you know, is actually something that I thoroughly am interested in, not just something that, oh well, just to get some promo. Like, I want to promote this girl because if you look at her Instagram, she has all of these cool like recipes and facials and soaps and lotions and hair conditioners, shampoos, all kinds of stuff. So I found this girl, and so like I said, I've been looking her up for a while, and for a small fee, I was able to get her to send me some of her products. It has been a long time coming, but we finally getting this video out there. I keep saying she, but her business is called Royal Relaxations, where she hand makes these products. And I'm so excited to open this package. I got a package from her, and I've yet to open it. So you guys are gonna see the products for the first time, just like I'm seeing the products. I will leave her Instagram down below if you guys want to check her out. And let's go ahead and get into this video. Hey guys, so we're gonna open it. As you can see, I've not opened it yet. I've been waiting like a kid in the candy store to open this, and I didn't want to open it off camera. I wanted to open it with you guys. I think it'll be more fun that way, you know? Okay. Oh, cool. Look at this. It's in this cool clear packaging. Wow. Let's see. Let's open it up. Like, I'm definitely going to reuse this bag. You know I'm all about upcycling. So let's pull out her business card first. This is her business card. I don't know if you can see. It says, natural handcrafted bath and body, Royal Relaxations. Relax the royal way. Delta Moore, owner and crafter. It's in Poplarville, Mississippi, I want to say. And it has her phone number, her Facebook, and her Instagram. Okay, so I will leave all this information down below. Okay, let's see what's first in here. Oh, look, it has a cute loofah, my favorite color. I don't know if she did this on purpose or not, but yes, ups for this. I like that. It's cute. What's this? This is Royal Relaxations Aloe Hydration Serum. Okay, I've been looking for a serum. Like, oh my gosh, I wonder what it smells like. Ooh, that smells so good. Ooh, I can't even describe what it smells like. Almost like a little bit of mint. Of course, aloe. Even though aloe really doesn't have a smell, but then it kind of does. I kind of want to see what it feels like. It's kind of like a jelly, and then it just disappears into like, it really just disappears. I don't feel anything. It feels like smooth, like satiny. Well, that's really good for the skin. Oh, I'm so excited. Nice. Okay, so we have a serum. What is this? Royal Relaxations, Shea Coat, and Honey. Oh wow, look at that. I don't know if you can see that. Ooh, I love it when a product looks like the products that it's made out of. Oh, it smells like earth. It smells good. Let's see the texture. Ooh, I like this. Oh, it's like kind of like a, almost like a jelly too, but like a sugar scrub. Wow, I like this. I wonder what, I have to look on her Instagram to see what everything exactly is for. And like if it has a certain purpose or function. But this, no, I mean, I'll use it everywhere. Okay, put this up. We have the Shea Coat and Honey. What is this? Look at this. This is the Rose Bouquet Toner and Mist. Ooh, and it has like in a little spray bottle. I'm gonna open it up. I'm not gonna spray it just yet. You see? Oh, it smells like earth too. Oh my god, it smells like roses. Ooh, I kind of want to see what this feels like. Oh, you guys, it's kind of shot out in my eye. It doesn't burn though. That's good. Ooh. It smells so good. It smells like roses. I really love the natural smell of it. That to me is more inviting than the very perfume, alcohol-y, ammoniated type of smell. I would rather it smell like earth than it really just smell like a really, really strong like perfume or chemicals and stuff. So that is. Let's see. What's this? Oh, cool. Look, it's a brush. Like it sucks onto like the kitchen counter or something. And you take a brush and you clean your brushes with it. It's like a makeup sponge brush. Oh, that's cool. I never would have thought that would be in here. Nice. And I've been wanting one of these. Man, look at God. Look, God be provided. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. And that's one of my favorite colors too, man. Hello, hey. Okay, let's see. It's more stuff in here, guys. Let's see. We have like a red baggie right here. Oh, cool. It's like a soap shaped into a heart. It doesn't really say what it's made out of, but look how cute it is. I'm definitely gonna be using this. Okay, let's see what's next, guys. It's another soap and it has an imprint of Royal Relaxations on it. It smells really good too. I love this. Everything looks so cute and natural. Okay, let's see. This is the last product, guys, the last one. It says Royal Relaxations Body Butter Scrub and Soaks, and the name is Serenity. I know you can't see that. Oh, let's see. Wow, it looks like there's oats in it. Wow, it smells like oats. Yeah, it has oats and it looks like it has. I'm kind of going to taste this, so if you're grossed out, oh well. Yeah. Yeah, it's not salt. It's like bath salts. Bath and body scrubs and both. Yeah, so it's like a body. You can use it as a body scrub or put it in the tub. Let's close this up. I don't want to waste none of it. So that is it, you guys. That's all I got in my package. Thank you again to Royal Relaxations for sending me these products. I'm really super excited to use these, especially this serum. said, I will leave her info down below. If you want to know what my most recent routine that I use, it would be this video. You can click this video right here. It's not really most recent, but it's what I use still. I still use, you know what, just watch it. Just watch it and you'll see it, okay? But yeah, like, that's the end of this video. My glowworms, I love you so much. And I will see you in my next video.